Generations of mentors have passed down and refined the recipe that defines who we are and how we practice in family medicine. Just as rice is the foundation of every family meal, your family doctor is your primary point of contact for all your healthcare needs. Along the way, your family doctor will anticipate and take preventive steps to manage your health through regular health screenings and vaccinations, just like a healthy side dish complements your main meal. Every meal is customized to your taste. Similarly, we tailor our care to fit your lifestyle, occupation, and personal history. Our comprehensive services include a free health plan consultation where you'll receive expert advice and tips to support your healthier SG journey. Having a dedicated family doctor who understands your medical history ensures there is continuity of care. With the My Health 360 app, you can easily book appointments, track your progress, and stay focused on your health goals. Your family doctor can also monitor chronic conditions and coordinate your care with specialists and other healthcare professionals, ensuring seamless and coordinated support. There you go, a hearty and well-rounded feast for your family, just like the holistic care you will receive from our GPs and family physicians. Visit your nearest Parkway Shenton clinic to receive the care that you deserve with the 3 Ps and 3 Cs of family medicine.